AI is changing the way we create content, but which tool should you actually trust? Today, we're diving deep into Notion AI versus Jasper AI to find out which one is the absolute best for marketers and creators like you. And make sure you stay until the end, because the final verdict just might surprise you. First up, let's talk about Notion AI. If you're already living inside Notion, this is a game changer. Its biggest strength is how seamlessly it's integrated. You can generate ideas, summarize long documents, and rewrite paragraphs without ever leaving your workspace. For example, you can take a messy page of notes and, with one click, turn it into a structured blog post outline. It's incredibly fast for getting your initial thoughts down. But here's the question: does it really hold up when it comes to professional, high-stakes marketing content? Now, let's bring in the heavy hitter, Jasper AI. Jasper is built from the ground up specifically for marketers. It's all about creating content that converts. Think SEO-friendly blog posts, persuasive ad copy, and high-converting landing pages. It's packed with specialized templates for pretty much any marketing task you can imagine. For instance, I worked with a small e-commerce business that used Jasper's tone of voice feature to create ad campaigns that perfectly matched their brand. The result? They saw a 20% increase in click-through rates. That's the power of a specialized tool. So, how do they stack up side by side? For long-form content and brainstorming, Notion AI is a fantastic starting point. It's great for internal documents and first drafts. But when it comes to short-form content that needs to persuade and sell, like ads or social media posts, Jasper's expertise really shines. In terms of pricing, Notion AI is an add-on to your existing plan, making it a great value if you're already in that ecosystem. Jasper is a standalone, premium tool, but its focus on marketing ROI can easily justify the cost. For ease of use, Notion is simpler, while Jasper has a steeper learning curve but offers far more power and customization for marketing teams. So, here's my verdict. If you need a versatile, all-in-one productivity assistant to streamline your internal workflow and brainstorming, Notion AI is the perfect fit. It's simple, efficient, and lives right where you work. But if your primary goal is driving business results, getting more leads, sales, and boosting your marketing ROI, then Jasper AI is the clear winner. Its specialized templates and marketing-focused features are designed to deliver conversions. Which side are you on? Let me know in the comments. Are you Team Notion or Team Jasper? If you found this helpful, please give this video a like and subscribe for more AI tool comparisons. Thanks for watching.